Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Typeform to Google Sheets using Zapier. So first go to zapier.com/dashboard, click on create Zap. Now select your trigger. So our trigger will be Typeform. Select your event. Click continue and authorize Typeform account. And click on test trigger. Alright, so it's working. Click continue and let's select our action. So our action will be Google Sheets. Authorize with the account. Our action will be create spreadsheet. Click on continue and let's fill in the data from Typeform to Google Sheets. And just click continue, and I'm just going to skip the test for now. And that's it. That's how you connect Typeform to Google Sheets using Zapier. Click on publish and you're done. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.